Audit ready. Trace every hardware change in Altium Develop. Many teams feel confident about their engineering process right up until someone asks for proof. Who changed this component? When was that decision approved? And what discussion justified the revision? If answering those questions requires a scramble across emails, commit messages, and old notes, then the process is more fragile than it looks. In this video, the focus is on building audit-ready traceability in Altium Develop. The aim is not to create more bureaucracy. The aim is to make the existing work easier to understand and defend. Traceability breaks down when the engineering record is fragmented. A design change may live in one system, the approval in another, and the real rationale in a meeting nobody fully documented. That may feel manageable during active development because the people involved still remember what happened. But audits, customer questions, quality reviews, and even internal retrospectives often happen later. When memory has faded and team members may have moved on, at that point, the organization pays a penalty for every undocumented decision. Engineers lose time reconstructing history, managers lose confidence in the process, and compliance teams are forced into detective work instead of verification work. The issue is rarely lack of effort, it is lack of continuity in the record. Altium Develop helps by centralizing a meaningful portion of that record in a shared workspace. Design activity, decisions, approvals, and access controls can be visible in relation to each other rather than isolated in separate systems. When someone needs to understand why a critical change happened, the history view can reveal what changed, who was involved, and which discussions or approvals were connected to that action. Role based access control adds another important layer by showing that not every action was available to every user, which helps establish confidence in the governance of the process. This does not just help during formal audits, it also improves everyday engineering because the path from questions to answers becomes shorter and less dependent on asking the right person. Compliance and quality teams save time because they can verify a more complete record without chasing evidence across disconnected tools. Engineers benefit because they don't have to create as much parallel documentation just to compensate for missing context. Project owners gain stronger confidence when customers ask for accountability or traceability. Perhaps most importantly, the team begins to operate with the expectation that important decisions should remain understandable later, not just in the moment. If your team has ever lost preparing for an audit or a customer review, choose one project with high visibility and use Altium Develop as the main record of change history, discussion, and controlled access. Then test how quickly your team can answer a difficult traceability question using the workspace alone. That exercise usually reveals the value immediately.